Hi guys, Jho here. I finally got my AMD version of Omen 25L. So I already got the Intel version of 25L, and now I have this Omen 25L Ryzen and Radeon version. So let me open it. If I ask myself why did I buy the 25L again, which is different color and different CPU, is because I wanted to compare the AMD and Intel. These two 25Ls, AMD and Intel, the price tags are exactly the same, and I don't get it because this white one is using Ryzen 5, which is equivalent to i5. The black one is i7, right? So I wanted to test the performance, and the next reason is color. So I like white color, and in Japan, where I am, HP Omen 25L white color only comes with AMD system. So I had no choice, but I had to order this one. Wow, I love this color. I like this contrast, black and white mix. Wow. Let's pull this up. So in my previous unboxing video for Intel 25L, I already mentioned that this packaging of HP is quite smart, right? They just put one plastic bag and it's easy to take the things out. Okay, I think it just looks better. I like white color, but still the all combination all looks good. Well, I think the inside and everything, the size of motherboard, everything is identical. It's just the same. Is exactly the same. I mean, the engineering, the size of motherboard and the layouts, everything, the fan, everything is same. The only thing is this Radeon is a little bit longer. And power is even the same. So they're using Cooler Master 80 Gold Plus. This is a fan. I want to change this to the RGB one. I already ordered. And the cable, interesting. So maybe Radeon is a little bit longer than RTX. So RTX cable is on your right hand side, but this one is sticked out like this. It's alright. Has two fans, the same as RTX. This is CPU fan. Yeah. Probably I'm gonna take out the CPU fan and put it in the rear. So I have black and white. I can match the color like this, but doesn't look good. I love this white color. And let's look at side by side. So much better. Looks a lot better, And this is like different types of painting, It looks gorgeous compared to the black one. The black one is like the normal, the black plastic and metal chassis, but this one it looks very expensive material, In terms of layout and everything is identical. As I said, the engineering behind, inside of this is all the same. The fan is here, even the layouts of all the microphone stuff, and here you can clearly see the Omen logo, and this is the one of the fantastic part of having the white chassis. Okay, let's light up. Everything is same, so I just hooked all the stuff to this new Omen 25L AMD version. Yep, quite simple. So going to upgrade the lights, and as you have seen in my previous video, I'm going to upgrade the cooler. Okay, so that's it. Please stay tuned. There are a few more videos coming. We got to compare these two machines, right? And I'm going to upgrade the cooler for this AMD machine. So thanks for watching, and I will see you guys again. Bye bye.